In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pinterest for local business marketing fast and easy. Pinterest can be a powerful tool to connect with your community and attract more local customers to your business. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and simply head over to Google. Type in Pinterest and hit Enter. You'll see a list of results, but you want to click on the first link that appears. This will take you directly to the Pinterest website. Once there, if you haven't already, you'll need to set up a Pinterest business account. Setting up a business profile specifically tailored towards a local audience is crucial because it can help you connect with people in your area more effectively. You'll want to ensure your profile accurately represents your business, including a clear profile image, a catchy business name, and a detailed description that includes local keywords. Next, let's talk about creating location-based boards. Boards are a great way to show up in local searches. Consider setting up some boards that are local-specific, like best wedding venues in Dallas, healthy eats in Seattle, or local events in Denver. Mix these kinds of boards with more general ones, such as healthy recipes. This strategy not only highlights what your business offers, but also makes it easier for locals to discover your pins. Now, turning your services into pins is where we can get creative. Use a design tool like Canva to create vertical pins, ideally 1,000 by 1,500 pixels. For instance, if you run a restaurant, you could create pins featuring your best dishes with overlays like Best Brunch in City. If you're in real estate, showcase your listings with captions such as Dream Homes in Neighborhood. It's important to always include your logo and city name on these graphics to reinforce your brand's presence. When it comes to SEO, always optimize with local SEO tactics. Make sure to incorporate geo-targeted keywords in your pin titles and descriptions. For example, instead of just labeling your service bakery, use something more specific like custom birthday cakes in Austin TX. And don't forget to add hashtags like #AustinEats or #NYC Photographer to further enhance your visibility. If you have a Google business profile, be sure to claim it and link your pins back to your website or business profile for even more reach. Another fantastic feature is Pinterest Idea Pins. These are excellent for building authority by sharing how-to tips laced with a local twist. Maybe you create a pin like 5 things to do in Charleston this weekend, or quick wellness tips from our Miami spa. This not only adds value, but positions you as a go-to expert in your area. Consistency is key, so aim to post at least 3-5 fresh pins daily. You can also repurpose content from other platforms like Instagram or your blog. Using tools like Pinterest Scheduler or Tailwind can greatly aid in saving time and maintaining consistency. Finally, make sure to track your local engagement using Pinterest Analytics. Keeping an eye on which pins are receiving the most local clicks and saves is invaluable. Double down on those boards and keywords that drive local traffic, giving you an edge in your local marketing strategy. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering Pinterest for local business marketing. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help you reach more people in your community.